Standard 12th chapter wise practical videos for science and commerce stream students. Today we learn chapter number 8 related practicals, right? Classes and objects in Java. It is a chapter name and it's a 10 marks practical, right? And if you want all types of practicals and the Java source code PDF files, it is given in my website. That website name is computerstudieskedardave.wordpress.com. So please download it from my site. In this session we learn to understand the concept of class and objects in Java. First you open SkyText editor, and if you want to download and install the SkyText editor, please refer my video. It is given in description box. So let's start our practical. First you write class, it is room, then curly bracket, start curly bracket and define float, length, comma width, comma height, and we define second data type, that is byte, and windows. We start with the void space set attribute. We set attribute for float L, float W for width, and float H for height, and number of windows we select byte, and then start curly bracket and define length for L, width for W, height for H, and number of windows for N, right? Close curly bracket. After that we define a method by using the double data type area. We define area, right? After that write curly bracket and return in curly bracket write length multiply by width, close semicolon. After that write next method. That method is void display. Start curly bracket, write system dot out dot println, and in the double quotation mark slash n and write length plus and define the variable, that is length, and after that second line you write system dot out dot println, and then in bracket within double quotation mark you write width plus and define that width variable. After the next one system dot out dot println, bracket double quotation marks and write height, and then define height variable and close it and use semicolon. After that next one system dot out dot println, in bracket within double quotation mark you write number of windows, close double quotation mark and define n windows, close round bracket, close semicolon, and then close the main bracket. After that close this room class. After that write class, it is our main class, that is room demo dot, right? So that is a class name room demo. After this start curly bracket write public static void main, in bracket strings as capital, and in square bracket and write args, then write curly bracket and define the room r1, right? And r1 is equal to new, right, room, and the next line write room space r2 room 2 is equal to new room, and then close use round bracket. After that define the display r1 dot display, After that R2 dot display. Then define set attributes. R1 dot set attributes, it is 18 comma 12.5f comma 10 comma, and you define byte for 2, and for the number of windows. And then R2 dot set attribute in bracket 14 comma 11 comma 10 comma byte and bracket, and then write 1 for the room number 2. It is, we define set attributes. After that we display R1 dot display and R2 dot display. Next you write system dot out dot println in bracket within double quotation marks slash n, and write area of room with length, quotation over double quotation over plus sign. After that write R1 dot length plus width, right, it is displaying the frame. After that close that curly bracket and write R1 plus width and is R1 dot area, right, and then close the curly bracket. After that write next statement, that is system dot out dot println within double quotation mark write slash n area of room with length double quotation marks over plus n, and room 2. For the room 2 we write R2 dot length plus is display width text on the output. After that room R2 dot width, it is variable, plus is plus R2 dot area, and then close the curly bracket. So this way we write a program, right? It is the room demo, right? After that you have to save this file. That file name is room demo dot java. Save it, right? So file is saved. Then we compile this file. Before that, if you want line numbers, then go to view option and click on line numbers, so it will display line numbers. After that go to tools option and compile this file. Compile, so it will display exit code 0, means there is no error in this program. And after that go to tools and then select go option, shortcut key is F5. So when you click here or press F5, it will display this result, right? So this is the end of room demo.java.